Do the favoriting or hearting tutorial for your photographs. Now get to the main website here and then please click on the clients link here, and then once you get onto that page I want you to click on the appropriate folder that you need to go into. This will be for the Snowball 2018 folder. This was a private folder, so you would have to have your keyword that would have been emailed. If it was not emailed to you, then please shoot me an email and I will get that back. I will get that to you. Also, if it's for some other event or family, you may have a password instead of a keyword to put in there. So type in your keyword, hit enter, return, or click on the go button, and then your pictures will populate. No matter if it's a group or individual, if your person is in that picture, that will populate in the screen here. You can go about it two ways. You can either do the select up here, but I like to go and just click on the actual image itself. Now one thing you want to know is your favorite is right here. If this is your favorite picture, once you click on that, it's going to ask you to log in. So let's go ahead and click on the favorite, and see it says for me to be able to save that and be able to see it, you're going to have to log in or create an account, which is quite simple. Now this is probably for you to receive your souvenir photo, so please pick only one picture that is your favorite so I can see that. On this side you create an account. It's quite simple. Otherwise on this side, if you already created an account, go ahead and log in. Alright, we're going to return back to this page here. I'm going to click on the picture again to get back where we were. And now if I wanted to look at a different picture quickly, I can just click down here or click on here, or I can go to this marker right here. So what I'm going to do for my favorite picture on this one is I'm going to click on here. There. Now it is saved. If I want to see at other times, because I may add a new set, I can organize this however I want. But you can click on that and see your selection here as well. Click on the back button. Alright, that pretty much concludes the tutorial on that. There will be a video later on describing how you can do purchases. It's quite simple. While you're in this screen right here, you can thumb through the quick shop here and select the item that you may need or want, and all you have to do is click on the plus sign there. If you'd like to see greater product selection, click on the visit shop here and it'll take you to a part of the website where you can select anything from mugs to mouse pads and whatnot. Okay, thank you so much for your time, and I look forward to hearing from you. You have a good